test bench for active steel in stators 020104A. It is intended for defect detection in stators of repaired electric motors with electric power rating up to 100 kilowatts after removal of the wire spools. The stand allows you to identify cores with high losses before laying a new wire spool and to reduce the unreasonable consumption of the spooling wire. The test results are recorded in a protocol and stored in an electric database for further processing and printing. The test bench was made on the basis of the standard laboratory cycle of photovoltaic converters. The voltage regulator is connected to a power supply of 220 volts with a frequency of 50 Hz. The input voltage is supplied to the magnetizing wired spool. The necessary measurements are made using a wattmeter, amperemeter, and voltmeter. Adjustable voltage is supplied to the magnetizing wired spool, the ends of which are connected to the output terminals of the stand. The essence of the method consists in comparing the voltage on the magnetizing wired spool of the test core with the current flowing through a corresponding base point in a magnetic state, with the voltage value obtained on a verified working core. The stand schematic allows testing in automatic mode by maintaining the set value of the magnetization current for up to 100 hours. Electric equipment repair supplier, ELECTROMASH Trading House.